Welcome back, model car fans, to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. I enjoy building scale model cars of TV, movie, and other classics. So if you enjoy my content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the final reveal of the Chevy 2 Nova Wagon. Here's a look at the dashboard. I tried a different technique. I use a blue colored pencil after I detailed the dash with silver accents. And I used the blue pencil to kind of mimic glass, so to speak. And I think it turned out well. It gives just a slight blue reflection to the gauges and the radio dial. So I'm pleased with the way that turned out. It's just something else, that I figured I'd give it a try. The black interior is always hard to see, but I think it turned out well. So let's take a look at the kit to this point. I went ahead and got the interior put together, and again, that black interior is always hard to see. That's why I favor the lighter color interiors on my builds. Maybe if I can get some light in there, we'll try that later in the video, see if we can get a good look inside. But I'm all ready for the wheels and tires, and I need to detail the grille, some black wash, do the front turn signals. So that's where we're at this point. So here is the final reveal. Everything's complete now, and I'm pleased with the way everything turned out. The beacon looks good. The custom decals I made for the doors to mimic the fire department emblems from my department worked well. I like the little bit of metal flake or metallic in this paint. It gives it a nice glimmer of or shine to the red. After everything was done, I gave it another coat of paint before I mounted the beacon on top. That way the decals and everything would be sealed. Here's a look at that. Turn it so we can get a look at the front. I'm going to try to get a close-up of the Chevrolet lettering on the hood. I'm really pleased with the way that came out. Very delicate, but I was able to get it silvered or colored up. There's a black wash on the grille. And my headlights, I think I need to put some clear on them after I got them installed. They're a little too silver for me. But this is what I imagined. The cars in our department, looking like back in the day. Right now I drive a full-size GMC pickup truck. So this is what I think everything looked like. We actually had a Corvair for the Chiefs car around 62, 63. So that was pretty cool. But I haven't personally come across a kit, so this one it's a what if, and it suited the build perfectly for me. So let me go ahead and turn the light here and see if I can get some look at the interior. Try to get it where it's not too bright. I appreciate y'all bearing with me, and I appreciate the support. There's been a lot of nice comments on this video to this point, through the unboxing. So thank you for that. It's always good to get feedback. And I've been kind of slack, in my responses, so I'll have to try to get on those and do a better job. I can't get the light going that way without moving my lamp. But I went ahead did some silver accents on the seats to try to break up that solid black interior. And at the end, I'll have some still pictures, so stay tuned for that. So here's the pictures I spoke about. I appreciate getting tongue-tied. I appreciate everyone tuning into this video, and I appreciate you liking and subscribing and sharing my channel. I'll have to come up with my next build. I'm thinking another 60s vehicle, so we'll see. Yeah, maybe 70s, but I'm thinking the 60s. Well, again, I just want to thank everyone for stopping in and watching this video, and we'll see you on the next build. Take care and please have a safe day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Take care.